How to close your DoorDash account step by step. The very first thing you need to do is simply get into your DoorDash, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, of course, make sure that you have also canceled the DoorDash Dash Pass subscription so that there won't be any auto renewal charges on your card, right? So after doing that, simply get into your account. Like I said, log into your account, then tap on the profile icon on the top corner right there, and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, keep on scrolling until you see manage account, tap on it, and then from here keep on scrolling until again you see manage account, tap on it one more time. Then you'll be able to get into this particular link right here where there might be a requirement of verification, so there might be a requirement of signing into your account one more time. If there is any sort of the requirement, you can simply sign into your account one more time. Once you do that, just like this, let's just use my email instead. So just like this, once again, re-log into your account, and once you re-log into your account for verification, here now you'll actually be able to get the delete account option. So what you're going to do is simply tap on the option delete account, and then after doing that, here there will be again two-step verification requirement. So there might be option of simply like verifying it through your number. All you need to do is add in your 6-digit code right here, and once you tap on submit, you'll now successfully be able to close your DoorDash account. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.